Is it me, or is it just this car? Something got to give. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds, and I'm your guy, Easy E. As you can see from the thumbnail, I'm jumping back on the Dodge Neon. She started misfiring again, so we're going to change the fuel injectors on this one, because we already did the spark plugs and wires, new alternator, new temperature sensor, new thermostat, but she's not running right. She's running right for a little bit, then she took a poop. We trying to get her running right because that engine just shaking a little bit too much for me. So let's go take a look. But before we get started, let's take another look around this Dodge Neon, because it's been cold outside, it's been snowing. So y'all know the motherfucker look nasty now. Y'all see that? Look at that back window. That is nothing but tar from smoking. Because that's on the inside. Let's see if I can get some of that cleaned off for y'all so y'all know what I'm talking about. Gonna spray it. Spray it right there. Grab some paper towel. Ooh, see? We're gonna wipe it. Like I said, there's nothing but tar from smoking and not cleaning the glass. Up here you can tell a little bit more tar, but he did clean the windshield so you can see out of it. But everything is covered in smoker's tar. We all been there. Like, I used to smoke, but I used to clean my glass, even the back windshield. Tar. This window, a little bit tar. That window, a little bit clean. But we're going to get to this. Hopefully this car run better. Got some fuel injectors made in China from Amazon. Got 4 of them. Look, one of these look like just like the one that's already in here. Like that one brand new one. It's already got the fuel line, the main fuel line unplugged. Now I'm about to pull all these fuel rails, that's 13 to 13. Pull that fuel rail off. But first I'm gonna unplug it and make it do what it do. So hopefully this solves our issue with this car not running right. So I got those fuel injectors out. And like I said, one of them was different than the rest. So y'all see that one? That's the different one. Even the hole is different where the fuel goes down. Here's the original one. Y'all can see that. Put them both together. Two totally different fuel injectors. Gonna line up all three of them so y'all can tell. Y'all know I ain't joking with y'all when I said from the last video that one of these fuel injectors been replaced and they didn't know what they was doing, because I would just change them all, 4 of them, instead of just changing one. And this is not even the correct one. It may fit, but I don't know if it will work right, because this car is not working right. These are original. You see the Chrysler symbol on them. Yeah, I can see that. These are original Chrysler ones. The holes are different, but I did notice, like this one is kind of dry. I don't know which place this was at. Maybe this one was taking more of the fuel and it wasn't getting to number 4. If this is number 4. But the other ones seem to be wet on top, except for that one. And I will show y'all, take one back out again for reference. Here go the ones I'm putting in right here. So you see, it matches the ones, the 3 ones I took out. Ain't no big gaping hole up there. But it's a pain to get in when they dry. Even the bottoms are the same. So hopefully, like I said, this solve our issues with this car. If not, then I'll be ordering whatever that ignition box is on top. But that looks like it's been replaced before. Or maybe they bought a cheap, junky one. Maybe I can find a more expensive one if this doesn't work. Because we got to get this car running correctly. I'm thinking, and still thinking about ordering that brake booster and a transmission mount for this side. But first, I got to get this car running right. So I'm about to jump back on into this. All right. So got everything buttoned back up. Fairly simple, fairly easy. This is the easiest car to change fuel injectors on because they all right there. One little short fuel rail, fuel line right there. Just gonna plug everything, pop that stuff off. But I still just don't know. Let's go give her a start. I'm pretty sure she ain't gonna run any different. Like I said, there's somebody been here before. This car has been mistreated. Or it could just be me. I'm used to these newer cars where when you start them up, and you don't feel no vibration or nothing. But this car, I can feel a vibration when the car is running. The motor shakes a little bit. That's why we changed those 2 motor mounts. Next thing to change be the transmission mount. Try to get a smoother ride. I don't know, maybe the motor misfiring, maybe it's not. But let's see what she do. Because we did get her back rolling again by changing that hub. Because she runs real good. Don't got no engine light on, but I can feel the vibration of the motor running. It feels like it's misfiring. Y'all know that feeling when y'all run real fast and y'all got winded and your heart start beating like doo-doo, doo-doo. That's how this car feels, like a heartbeat. Except when I give it gas. It's just more of a hum. But I don't know if y'all can see that the steering wheel is vibrating. But that's what I'm talking about. Everything is vibrating. So could it be a misfire? Or could it need the transmission mount? Because y'all see the hood vibrating. Everything is vibrating. That's what I'm trying to stop. I'm thinking maybe it's not a misfire. Or even the battery is shaking. And it's tied down, but everything under here is vibrating. Yeah, I can see that line right there is vibrating. But other than that, she runs good. I just don't like that vibrating. Everything is vibrating. So I don't know if it's transmission mount. We did change the engine mounts, 2 of them. The third one I've changed if the water pump was bad, or if I was doing timing on this one. I never did timing on the Dodge Neon before. I did attempt to to change the water pump when I was younger. Didn't have the proper tools. Ended up breaking the cover, breaking a lot of stuff. Had to pay $800 for the certified technicians to repair what I broke. I got frustrated trying to do it in the winter time, thinking I'm the master of all mechanics. And that's like way before YouTube. So you didn't have no YouTube videos to watch. But I'm pretty sure I know how to do it now. I know how to do it. It's just like, do I want to do it? After all these years, I did learn. I just never got in there. I know where the timing cover at. I know where the timing belt. But all these years of me working on these cars, I know how to do a little timing now. Well, I just do that. Wanted to see that screen, baby. My little stinks. Welcome to Easy's Rebuilds. But let's get back to be serious. If you go watch that Ford Expedition videos, y'all would know how my stepson blew his motor up redoing the timing, and I told him I don't do timing, but I learned after that. I did the timing on my other stepson's car. Forgot it set one time, but like it was a non-interference motor, and we didn't break nothing. Just had to go back in there and redo it, and the car started right back up. So I do know how to do timing now, and plus there's videos out there to show you how to do it. So watch a video if you don't know what you're doing. Because you know, they ain't gonna see it on this video of me doing any timing any soon. I might have to do the timing on the burn traverse, but we'll see when we get there. The donor motor, that is. But until she throw an engine code, I don't know. But look, she got all new fuel injectors. Gotta use a zip tie. I zip tie those down, not right now. Like I said, she's got a little vibration that I don't like. But it is what it is. So I guess this is gonna be one of those little short videos. I'm about to get out of here. So y'all know what that means. I know it's quite noisy in here, but enjoy this video. Give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, leave a comment in the comment section below. Share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. If you haven't already, please subscribe to Easy's Rebuilds, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we release a new video. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. We have merch at teespring.com. Something like this. We take Cash App donations. We take donations of cars locally. With all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people.